If you truly want to grow your business, it's time to sprinkle on some ads. Ads help you stay top of mind, help you build better relationships, and make sure that you build trust with your new leads. In today's video, I'm going to share my screen right here and show you our exact $5 a day ad strategy that you can copy for your business so you can start following up with leads for pennies per click. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing marketing for the last 10 years. We've worked with over 3,000 brands, and in my videos, I share my screen and teach you 3 steps and 3 tips that you can actually go implement and learn. Now, if you're new to my channel, I've got a whole playlist. This is the 4th video where I break down relationship marketing. Relationship marketing is building better relationships, making videos, sending personal emails, and last but not least, ads. If you want to check out that full playlist, you can check it out here. Let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. So let's take a look here. These are the ads that we run. We spend just $5 a day on Google, Meta, and X. Now, the better results we get, the more we'll spend. We want to make sure that we're actually making revenue and we're getting good leads from this. Now, I'm going to stop you right there. If you want the exact system that we use to run these ads, comment system down below and somebody from my team will send it over. All right, let's get back to it. So if we take a look here, we want to take a look at different ad sets and different channels. And what we want to say is if somebody comes to my website, we want to retarget them. We also want to show up when somebody is interested in our service. So 3 things that we're going to cover today. If you stick with me to the end, I'm going to show you the exact ad that converts at 14%. All right, so the first one is top of funnel. Top of funnel is somebody that's never heard of you before. So what we want to do is we want to run ads to top of funnel audience that are searching our particular business. So our business is marketing automation. We have a software that helps you get more leads, CRM that follows up with them, and then allows you to track ads, exactly what I'm showing here. So if anyone types in marketing automation, lead generation, CRM, we want to attract them and say, this is us. Now, we don't want to sell them yet. We just want to show them this ad about 1 to 2 times. So that way they hear about us, they're aware of us. Maybe they fill out a form, maybe they didn't, but that will allow us to then hit them with middle of funnel to actually start building a relationship, and last but not least, bottom of funnel to actually get them to buy. So first steps is figuring out where your ideal customers are at and running ads to that. So I know that my ideal customers are going to be on Google and they're going to be on YouTube. Now, an example of a YouTube ad looks like this. So if you take a look here on the left, it says that I can watch the video or I can shop now, and it's just an ad in the feed. I don't like showing ads before a video starts. I think they're annoying. So what I like to do is show an ad here. Now on mobile, it shows just the same way. So that way, when somebody's looking for something on YouTube, my ad will actually show up for marketing automation. You want to think about your ideal customers. Are they on YouTube? Or are they on Google when they're first looking for you? Or maybe they're just browsing and you need to attract them on X or Meta, which we'll cover today as well. So that's going to attract them. Now, you want to make sure that you have your pixels installed. So pixels are a code that you put in your website to ensure that you're able to track your visitors. Now, a few things you can do with your pixel. Pixel is you can track anyone that visits your website. You can see about 85% of people that hit our website we're able to retarget. So out of 12,000 people that have been on our site, we can retarget about 10,000 of those. Anyone that's seen certain pages on your website. You can also show your ad to existing customers and or exclude certain customers. And last but not least, you can actually show your ads to anyone that has watched or followed you on social media. So that's the key there. You need to make sure your pixels are there so then you can actually retarget. Once you're ready to retarget, hopefully you've attracted your ideal audience, you've run some Google, Meta, or YouTube ads, or even X ads. Now it's time for step number 2, middle of funnel. The specific reason we do middle of funnel is to build the relationship. That's why I have it in my relationship marketing system here. Now, in this system, we need to educate them, not sell them. So hopefully somebody's attracted to you, whether organically or through ads. Now we can show them videos where we're going to give them tips, helpful value, so they remember you. Middle of funnel, you want to show them about 3 times. You want this to show them 3 times so they start seeing. And I recommend doing videos for this. So lookalike, anyone that's come into our site, anyone that looks like that person, we can also go ahead and retarget them. You can see we're also targeting anyone that's followed us or engaged with our social media channels. Another thing we can do is do retargeting ads on X. So what we do is anyone that's been on our website, anyone that's shown interest in these companies, let's show them ads on X as well. Now from there, you want to make sure you build out those custom audiences. So you can see here that in the pixel area, you're going to be able to build out video watchers, any business owners, really any type of customer you have for your business. You need to start building these out. Even if you don't use them right away, you want to collect that data. As an example, this is our Meta pixel, and you can see that we have our pixel installed, even if we're not running ads yet, at least able to go and see all the people that have been on our page view, anyone that's purchased, any leads that have come up. That way you start populating your pixel, so when you are ready to do this, you can actually follow up. Now, if you need help setting this up, we use a freelancer site called Fiverr. I'll post my affiliate link down below. That way you can go and just hire a freelancer to make sure your pixels are completely set up. Okay, the last thing I want to cover with you before we get to the final ad is the actual bottom of funnel. Bottom of funnel is saying, hey, You've seen my middle. Now it's time for you to actually come and purchase. So you want to continue staying top of mind. Bid 24 times on 3 platforms. They trust you, and they're probably more likely to purchase from you. So from here, you can see these people are really hot and they're ready to purchase. They know you. They should trust you by now. Now, another reason I recommend hiring a freelancer to set up your pixel and your tracking is so you can actually start seeing the sources. That's how you're truly able to scale a business, is when you're able to go into your CRM and look at that customer, see exactly where they found you, exactly where they saw you again, and then where they purchased from or became a lead from. That way I know, okay, LinkedIn's bringing in good organic traffic, but my Facebook ads actually what's reminding them to come back and buy. And then you can start allocating your budget there. I like to spend less on bringing in new people, and I like to spend more on retargeting them so they never forget about me. And then you need to actually, for your sales team or to scale your e-commerce business, you need to know what actions they take so you can continue improving your business. Which ad, how long did it take them to actually purchase and become a lead and then buy my product from there? These are insights you truly need to keep track of in your CRM and your marketing channels so you can continue adjusting your budgets if you want to continue to grow. Okay, now last but not least, I want to encourage you to use a free trial of our software here that will actually write your ads. These ads are what convert the best. So you want to make sure you have expert copywriting in your ads. You want to make sure you have the right creatives on every single platform. We offer a 30-day trial in our coaching vault that shows you every single ad for every platform that you should be posting. That way you know the copywriting, you have the AI prompts, you know exactly what images and what videos you should be using. And if you take a look at our YouTube channel, this video right here is one of our highest converting videos to retarget people. They also see it in the middle of funnel because it educates them, and then they start seeing it every time they log into Google or YouTube. Additionally, if they're on X, they see the exact same thing. I like familiarity. If you show different ads and different branding and different videos, people don't remember you. They think you're a brand new business. So what you want to do is try to be consistent. Show the same ad over and over on every single platform. If anyone visits our customers account here and hits their website or connects with them on social media, they start seeing tons of videos that build that relationship and continue the education on Meta, on Google, on YouTube, every single platform. But what you can see is all of these videos and all of these channels are the same branding, they're the same layout and the same logo. And that is the key, is consistency is key. People won't remember you until they trust you. So I hope this video brought you a ton of value. I'd love to hear more about you and your business so I can follow and support you back. If you want to tell me more about yourself in the comments, I'll go and support you and follow you as well. And if this video brought you value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel right here. That way I can keep showing you videos that are helpful so you can continue to scale your business. And if you want to learn more about the whole relationship marketing system, check out this playlist here and grab it down in the description. Hope this video brought you value, and I hope to see you on the next one.